We're back at the X-free car. We just bought it. Well, Tucker did, because my funds are little to nothing. So we're going to redo this video instead of the gaff that we did last time. I'm pretty sure that this is a 390.
It could be a heavy duty 352 block too.
Yeah,
they're pretty good size.
yeah, but if it's whatever heavy,
if it is a heavy duty, you can still do whatever you want to that.
yes.
So that's what's nice about the older blocks.
Yeah, because we were discussing on if this, you know, if it is truly a real heavy duty block, then we're going to bore it out to some. What did you decide?
I haven't fully decided yet.
Yeah, because this is not going to be a normal standard car.
No.
And she's rough, extremely rough, worse than what the 46 Cadillac and the 73 Roadrunner is. Of course, still can't get into the cab, but hopefully y'all can see the floorboard. Yeah, but we're lucky that all the rare chrome strips on this are actually good. Of course, we had to take some off, get a bullseye and fix some of that. Was this a hardtop or is it a post? Okay, yeah, it's a hardtop. Because I called this a this is a Galaxie Starliner.
It is?
Yes, it is. Because when I first looked at this right here, I thought it said Starliner because, you know, the weeds are down, but someone actually cleared it.
Yep.
But I'll be darned, this is a Galaxie Starliner. Well,
this one here might be fun to replace.
what's that? Yeah. But this is also one of the biggest reasons why we're saving it too, because it's a Galaxie body, but it's a...
Well, first we thought it was just a Starliner.
Yeah, but no, it's a Galaxie Starliner. 61 Galaxie Starliner, huh?
Yeah, because I didn't walk back here. I know that a lot of people will turn the Starliners into Galaxie Starliners.
Yeah.
There's not too many Starliners left because of that.
Yeah, and we don't care even if it's just a Starliner through and through, but no, this is a 100% Galaxie Starliner.
So that's going to give us, what, 6 Galaxies now?
Yes, this is our 6th Galaxie now. We got a lot of Galaxies and a lot of Mercuries. But I don't know if this is like the... This should have 9-inch, shouldn't it, since it's Galaxie?
Yeah, should be a 9-inch.
Yeah. Because,
Galaxies were pretty good. They were pretty good at slapping 9-inchers underneath it.
I see leaf springs. Yeah, there's leaf springs on this one. That's new to me. Because all the Galaxies I've been messing with has that bar system.
Yeah, I'm not too sure when they put those.
Well, we don't know nothing about this year. That's the thing.
I never crawled underneath that 64. No. Yeah, that 64 had that.
Did it?
No, it had leaf. It had leaf springs. So
okay, so your
system on the Galaxies came out in 65.
Okay, so your 64 XL had.
Remember, that's when that time we put that. We found the original rear end for it because he took it out.
Oh yes, that's right.
So
I keep forgetting about it.
Rear end. We'll have to show you guys a picture of that. But we took 2 50-gallon drums and put
Oh
it
yeah, that's on our.
up, and then we slid the rear end underneath. He came over with the wrecker and dropped it down when we were done.
Yeah, silly me, because that's our overhead picture on YouTube.
Yep.
Yeah, because I was the one underneath that.
64 has leaf springs, so they came out in 65.
Yeah. Okay, so 65. I'm so happy your memory is better than me, because I just work on. I just crawl underneath and just work on a car.
That's why I've been doing it, thinking about it. Yeah.
Let's see here. So again, this is no longer a free car. We just bought it for $800. And like I said, she's rough. Now, the reason why I couldn't accept a free car like this is like, well, you really can't find nothing like this, and we're helping our friend and family member out right now. So, I mean, figured why not. Besides, this is just too much of a thing to accept, you know, for a free car.
Yeah.
So
800 is not too bad for it.
no.
I mean, for any car, you're gonna have
It's missing the chrome piece back here. In the very back bottom here, there's a fin on each side. On the bottom skirting board, there's a huge chrome piece on each side that's missing. Yeah, because this one's gone. You see where it was left? Yeah, because there's a huge chrome piece, as you can see where it was right here. Yeah, that one's gone. But I think the other one's gone too, isn't it?
Well, if there was, I don't see nothing.
Yeah, it's gone. So we're missing 2 chrome pieces. But the other ones that matter are these right here. This is why it, you know, defines it as a Starliner. Gotta be careful about this though, because that's, yeah, that's all messed up.
Yeah, it threw us off at first. We thought it was a 60.
Yeah, I thought it was a 60, but
around and found out it was a 61.
yeah, and again, we don't know much about these year Galaxies.
No, usually I get a car, I like it, I'll research it like crazy then.
Yeah. So we do have the high definition, it's like a high def decal here in the fender, whatever they called it. But it looks like it is missing the middle piece there on each side.
I think you can still get those.
I think so.
I'll have to look in that Galaxie catalog.
So
you can get taillights for it.
yeah, so since this has that piece there, I know a lot of the Galaxie Starliners and Starliners had those, but this is, I have to see on what kind of style this is.
Yeah, bad thing about Galaxies though is 1 year only.
Yes.
Which I ain't going to complain. Each one looks pretty cool.
No.
I wasn't too big of a fan of the 67. Now the 67 convertible, yeah.
Yeah, something's odd and a little off about 67s. Because before we go, we'll actually show a 67 because I need to look at one. Because I think my wheel wells from my 68, I think those are to a 67. They should still fit, but yeah. So yeah, this car is extremely rough, but yeah.
You can't poke your head through the roof.
No. So this is gonna be very fun to get into. So yeah, this is Galaxie Starliner. But we just don't know what size of engine that is. Either 352, 390.
352 block.
Yeah, because you never really heard of them putting 360s in these. Either 352, 390, or 427, 428. I think the 410 came later, didn't it?
410 came later.
Yeah, that was started out in 66, wasn't it?
One I have is 66.
Yeah, that's in your Galaxie right now. Your 410 Marauder.
Too many of those because those were police interceptors.
Yeah.
And this one came out with an old police car. Sheriff's car, actually, because I remember seeing Buck.
Yeah, and yours is a factory 4-barrel, wasn't it?
Yep.
Yeah.
It should be the GTS heads and intake.
Oh yeah, that's right. Well, the only way to know how much worse this is once we get it home. But because now we got this, because this is our last car. But there's also a few more secret cars that we're going to be showing in the future. But
yeah, that I just bought
a special car that we're going to be parting out as well.
I think I'd like to see. I mean, tear apart this '99 Jag.
Yeah, that's what he just bought, as a '99 Jaguar. And we got plans for the running gears and everything. Well, he's got plans, but
yeah, something's messed up with the title. So, but with it being a salvage.
Yeah, he was able to go through the
car.
Yeah, he was able to go through the entire process legally.
And since this thing has 170 on the speedometer, well, guess what? I bought it.
Yep. So it's either the 34 Pontiac, the 46 Chevrolet, the 56 Pontiac, or his 36 Chevrolet might be getting all the running gears and everything. But we still haven't decided. There's a lot of cars out there to slap that stuff down into.
Yep, it's just the decision making.
Yeah. But there's one car that we're going to remain hidden right now until we get that brought home probably later this year. But we're not going to say on what it is.
No, not yet. I had to have that. I was dumb enough to sit in it.
Yeah. But there you all have it. So
Parts are the one that we're getting too. It's just right over there too.
yeah, the I showed these on TikTok and did a small shorts here as well, because I was trying to work on these, but
Yeah, snake issue.
yes, I have a massive snake issue with this Plymouth. I ran into 3 rattlesnakes, so be best just to work on this and his super deluxe Plymouth coupe right here at home.
Yeah, I wasn't going to tackle it because then everything was gutted out. And
Your trunk lids moved.
Because
Yeah, it could have.
I remember I was looking at it one time.
Okay.
But I found out the frame to that sedan over there is interchangeable with the coupe.
Yeah.
So the deal was I could strip out everything that's interchangeable with that sedan and slap it on this 5 window. So that's the deal. I went ahead and bought it.
Yeah. And we're not sure if this is a 40 something or 30 something, because I thought it was like a 46, but I was looking up stuff online, which we're gonna go to the front here.
Yeah, I ain't too picky on the ear.
Yeah. You know what? We'll show that the 67 Galaxie later, because this thing's starting to run a little low. Yeah. It's a good thing this is waterproof, but yeah, see, there's that. And is Plymouth.
Yeah, I got
So,
to identify the year on that.
Yeah, we thought it was a 46, but don't know what year it is. Could be 30s, late 30s, early 40s, but again, don't know. Yeah, right there's the.
Watch me come across the snake.
Well, there's a lot of stuff to jump on. Anything left on it?
I could barely make it out.
Uh,
We may have to just take a good picture of it. This is also the identification plate right here.
yeah, that's missing. But that one sheriff will help us out with everything. That's another thing too. We have a sheriff that's
there's one on the inside.
yeah.
Also.
But we also have a sheriff that comes out for our friend and relative here that helps him get titles and such for his stuff, and he'll help get titles for us. So we got that. Also too, before I forget, we actually have a parts car for that Starliner, the Galaxie Starliner.
Yeah, we just haven't found the sedan yet.
We haven't found it yet. It's like either a 2-door or 4-door sedan hardtop.
Yeah, and the nice thing about this is everything that's not damaged on the 61 is damaged on the sedan, but the floorboard's good.
Yeah.
So we're going to yank out that floorboard.
So, yeah, this one's not it either. Oh, that's a Fairlane 500 4-door. Well, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and skip the 67 Galaxie, even though my GoPro is waterproof. So that pretty much does everything for today. We're gonna get the 71 Mercury parts car for the Cyclone GT tomorrow if he's open, and if it's not raining. So we do have a Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Please follow us on there, and please like, share, and subscribe on us on YouTube. We're getting close to 1,000, and we're finally working on cars. So me and Tucker, we wish you all adieu. So y'all have a good one now. Take care and stay safe. See you later.
Head for the truck.
Yep.